Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and yeah, as you can see, we found finally a Elite Trainer Box from the new set Journey Together, and I'm more than excited to actually open this up. I have to say, we paid probably way too much for this box, but it's so hard to find Pokemon cards in general these days that we, yeah, just said whatever, we're gonna pay whatever is needed. We want to open up this little piece no matter what it takes. So you can decide yourself if you want to do that. Maybe at some point they will restock or something and it will get cheaper. Scammers are, or scalpers are everywhere and making this hobby quite complicated. But yeah, we still wanted to check it out. Um, as always, you get your little booklet. We're not gonna look at anything from that. We've got to dive right into the box, and as you can see, it's presented as always. Throw that to the side, and let's see what we're actually getting. Our typical coins, whatever. Then we got our dice, looking kind of like some we already had in a box before. I mean, the middle piece obviously looks different, but whatever. Then you get your bulk of energy cards. I don't know. Throw that to the side. Now to the exciting part, we get some really nice looking sleeves with color and stuff. Liking it, Zrock and N on here, and I assume, because that's what they've been doing lately, and we get clean sleeves. Nice. Yeah, they're clean, transparent, and not like this milky finish, which is really exciting. We leave one out because we will need them anyway. And then we got the dividers here, and let's check that out later. 9 boosters, and let's see, Lilia. Yep. And I really do like the pack artwork. And let's go back to the divider first though. And the promo card, which should be in here as well. I'm still a huge fan that they changed that, because that just makes the quality of the promo code way better, because it's not going to be damaged as much as it used to be back in the days. So this is the promo, which is amazing of not work. We got Zorua and Anne. He's feeding it. It's super cute. Liking the colors. Everything looks just really clean on this card. Definitely worth picking up the Elite Trainer box already for just for the promo here. And then the back, as I said, looking good. So that's that. Here is the code card for you guys, and then the dividers. They just are typical dividers. Nothing too exciting. The back has nothing on there. So yeah, throw that to the side. And yeah, let's dive right into this. Or you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna sort that out and put every trainer by itself. So we got 3 here. Okay. Everything else is 2. And let's just start with Lilia. So let's hope for the best. To be honest, I'm not sure what the big hits are in the set. I have not really paid much attention lately. There's your code card. We're going to start off with some fire energy, I think. And let's hope for the best. So good, yeah, there's the fire energy. Perfect. So we got Hops Wally. I saw that there's an alt art for that, which I would love to see. Um, and let's see what we can. Whoa! Okay, okay, well, is this like the full art? Is that like a new way of presenting that? Since it's Lilia's Clefable, maybe that's what it looks like. It looks pretty nice, liking it. Definitely starting off good, which is exciting because our last opening wasn't as good. Prismatic Evolutions, yeah, that was just something else. Let's just put it that way. Really frustrating. So already starting good, which is cool. And let's hope for the best. Let me see something though for a second, if this is like the normally full art. So we got an old art for Clefable, and yeah, okay, this is a full art. Okay, liking that though. Definitely looking good. Um, okay, no, I did look actually at some of the cards. There's some really nice artworks in here. I hope for the best now. Pretty exciting. Um, let's see if Lilia is still gonna perform or if that's all she can offer us here. There's a code, and let's see. So we got Psychic Energy and Paras. Let's see what we can find liking. For in case you didn't know, the Journey Together brings back the trainers in the corners, which is nice to see. Ooh, Nightlight EX, nice. Um, Even though I'm not a big fan of the Caboose, but whatever. It's a hit, so we take that for sure. Throw that in here. So we got 2 hits in a row, which is good, nice to see. Um, and let's see what else we find in this box here. So we are off to a good start. Not sure we can actually keep up with that, but would be exciting if we could, after all. Um, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. Um, let's dive in here. We've got Steel Energy and Queekle or Zorua. Um, Brock. Okay. Oh wow, this one is so beautiful. Holy moly. It's Ants Reshiram looking really, really nice. I mean, I did not even know that I was in here. I thought that was like a promo that you get when you buy a display, but yeah, maybe they have it as a promo and the displays and also as a normal hit. But that's exciting. Looking so freaking good. Whew. The, yeah, Butterfree, you get some love too. Don't mind me. But yeah, that is so exciting. I'm already happy. If we don't get anything else, I'm still excited about the stuff we got. But yeah, let's see. Maybe we can get even more. That will be even better. But we got 3 hits in a row now, so that's more than exciting. So, Thunder, Electric Energy. Let's see. Cubone. Well, yeah, okay. Yep. No, no. It's just Hop. I'm not a huge Hop fan. Why is he even in here? Um, yeah, but anyway, while we are diving in here, um, I'm super excited for the next set as well. Definitely gonna try to at least get ETB from that, the new Rocket set. You probably heard of that as well if you are watching here. Um, but that's gonna be super exciting from back in the days. I remember when I had my Rockets when I was still in elementary school. That was always great and fun. And yeah, let's hope we can get an ETB there as well. And let's hope we can actually get something in this box as well again, or is that gonna be it for today's boosters? We started off big, and now it's just calming down. Not much is happening, but we still got some boosters left, so it's not that big of a deal. And we got 3 hits, 9 boosters. I mean, that's yeah, would be average, I guess. I don't know. Would it? I don't know. Anyway, let's see what we can find. Let's hope for the best. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, there's another Reshiram for man. Oh, oh my god, is that... Wait, I think that's actually a pretty big hit here. Another Clefable. That's the alt art. Um, Looking really cool too, gotta say. Um, Definitely gonna be somewhat of a good card, I would think. I mean, people are always excited about some wifey material, right? Wifey. Um, and she's definitely one of them. And Reshiram, yeah, I I call it that that's gonna be it for today. We're not gonna get more hits than that. I mean, we have 3 boosters left, but we are doing so good right now. I just looked up the price while doing this, um, and that Clefable card is like the big chase card already. One of the big chase cards. It's going around 200, 300 bucks right now, so that is amazing to see. And Reshiram is also one of the bigger chase cards, so that's more than exciting to see. Okay, liking the artwork, gotta say. Um, Even though if it's not a hit, I've seen in the booklet that there's like Definitely interesting artwork for that card as well. It's one of the chase cards too. But yeah, let's see if we can pull anything else or if this is gonna be it. We got four hits here, so that's not bad. And we got two boosters with Hop on them. And since I think Hop sucks, I would assume there's no hits in this boosters. But that's just me being rude. But I don't know. I don't believe in Hop. Um, he's pretty lame in the games. So why would he be great in giving us good pulls? Okay, first nothing. First Hop booster. And let's see if the second booster is performing better. It would be so funny though if it wouldn't, because then I just said Hop is doing really good, and then he performs like the weakest from the boosters. But maybe, who knows? Maybe we get another hit. So let's hope for the best. Last pack magic is coming, or maybe not, because it's Hop after all. So Drago, okay. Um, let's see. Yeah. Womp, 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 womp. Nothing. Nothing. And nothing. Okay, we got another Ants Restroom. So we got the reverse, we got the holo, and we got the alt art. So that's somewhat. I don't know if there's a normal Restroom's N as well, like in EX or something. But yeah. So this is what we get from Journey Together. We got 4 hits, we got 2 chase cards. I do like the normal Clefable um, full art EX here, and that's gonna be it, you guys.